I love y'all. Y'all got this. Win. Let's go home and get some pizza. Feel me? Let's do it. Family on me. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Family! Let's get it, boys.
Boy, where you going?
Home base. Watch that lane. All right, let's get it.
All right, referees in place. Okay, let's go.
What do you say?
All right, players, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, back left, still back left, back left.
One of y'all back left at home, bro. I know you were at home, bro. I was trying to get you, bro. I looked, and I went to shoot, and I wasn't ready, bro. I had you wide open, bro.
Good shit. Good stuff, bro. Let's get it, baby.
Hey, Speedy. Speedy, stand it out. Stand it out. Bring it out.
2 minutes and 10 seconds on a 4-minute time. First game.
Let's go, baby.
Bring it out.
LSA on 3. LSA on 3. 1, 2, 3.
LSA!
Go, boys.
You going back right?
Roy, keep doing that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit! Who got you? Damn.
First game, LSA 1. Second game, Phantoms 1. Winner of this guaranteed at least second place. Losers guaranteed at least.
Let's get it, boys. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it.
Do what we did. Do what we did, okay?
Yeah, I got you.
Referees in position.
Them boys tired, we're tired. Let's show them we the best.
Yeah.
Can you go on the outside of that wall real quick?
No.
I can. Put your fucking foot on this.
Hey, this is where champions are. Hold them down at home. Keep watching.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, what's the snake? What's the snake? Hey, what's flex? What's flex? Good shit, bro. Hey, great game, bro. Were you the snake player? Huh? Were you snake? Dude, you were at my ass on my toes, bro. I was like, hey, good ass shit, though. Good ass shit, bro.
Hey, Phantom!
Guys.
Hey, great fucking game, bro.